Welcome to Ingleside Reviews. If you're curious about Pilates and how it can improve your health and well-being, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stick around as we break down what Pilates is, who can practice it, and the amazing health benefits it offers. Pilates is a fantastic system of physical fitness that emphasizes a strong connection between the mind and body. Whether you're looking to improve posture, increase flexibility, or manage stress, Pilates has something to offer everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the principles of Pilates, who can benefit from it, and why it's such a versatile and powerful form of exercise. What is Pilates? Pilates is more than just a workout. It's a holistic fitness system designed to restore health and enhance quality of life. The practice combines controlled breathing with precise movements that use your body's weight and the resistance from springs or equipment. The goal is to strengthen your core, improve posture, and develop a deeper mind-body connection. The principles of Pilates. Let's dive into the core principles that define Pilates and make it so effective. Concentration. Engage your mind to consciously guide your body during each exercise. Visual control. This principle enhances memory, intelligence, creativity, and even intuition as you focus on the movements. Centralization. The core is the heart of Pilates, where deep muscles are activated to support better organ function. Breathing. Controlled breathing enhances the intensity of each movement and provides stability. Precision. Efficient muscle tension is key to executing exercises with optimal results. Control. Ensuring spinal stability throughout each movement is essential. Fluidity. Finally, fluid movements allow you to fully experience each exercise, making Pilates feel like a dance of control and grace. Pilates modalities. Did you know there are different styles of Pilates? Each one brings its own unique focus and benefits. Contrology. The original form, blending techniques from yoga, gymnastics, and martial arts. Contemporary Pilates. This style goes beyond classic equipment and allows for a variety of exercises and accessories. Power Pilates. A more intense model combining aerobic exercises for cardio benefits and calorie burning. Water Pilates. Performed in a pool, this low-impact modality uses springs and rubber noodles for a safer experience. Aero Pilates. Exercises performed on suspended fabrics, ideal for building strength and technique. Who can practice Pilates? One of the best things about Pilates is that it's suitable for everyone. Whether you're an athlete, dancer, senior citizen, pregnant woman, or even in rehabilitation, Pilates can be adapted to your specific needs. For older adults, it improves balance and mobility. For children and teens, it enhances posture and flexibility. It's also great for people recovering from injuries, helping them regain mobility after trauma. Benefits of Pilates. So why should you consider adding Pilates to your fitness routine? The benefits are endless. Improved posture. Pilates strengthens your core muscles, helping to maintain the spine's natural curves and reduce back pain. Muscle strength and flexibility. Pilates helps replace fat mass with lean muscle, making you stronger and more flexible. Joint mobility. Enhanced joint movement makes daily activities easier and pain-free. Stress reduction. The focus on controlled breathing and concentration can significantly lower stress levels. Increased flexibility. With regular practice, Pilates stretches muscles and joints, improving your overall flexibility. Incorporating Pilates into your routine is an incredible way to improve both your physical and mental well-being. Whether you're looking to boost flexibility, relieve stress, or strengthen your body, Pilates offers adaptable exercises for all ages and fitness levels. Give it a try and experience the full spectrum of benefits Pilates has to offer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and visit our website for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to check out our other YouTube channels in the Ingleside Reviews Network for specialized content. Follow us on social media and consider supporting us on Patreon for exclusive perks. We'll see you in the next video.